Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started with this 1967 Austin Healy replica kit car, listed for $25,000 US in Lee Summit, Missouri. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description, GMC 350 engine, 5-speed transmission, posi traction, very fast. And up next we have this 1972 Volkswagen Dune buggy, listed for $25,000 Canadian in Amos, Quebec. It's been driven 14,200 kilometers and has an automatic transmission. It's also listed in excellent condition. From the seller's description, now this is translated from French, Dune buggy, engine reconditioned to new, 1641cc, full chrome with swing axle transmission, tires 295 50/15 rear, 500 watt sound system with subwoofer, dash and vehicle wire filling redone from A to Z, handmade, registered in 2007, inspected and in compliance with road regulations. Alright, here we have a 1971 Lotus 7 kit car, listed for $12,491 US in San Jose, California. It's been driven 3,690 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Lotus 7 kit car, 1,200 pounds, 1971 Ford Pinto 2.0 motor, garaged all its life. Okay, here we have a 1975 Aztec 7 kit car listed for $4,500 US in Palestine, Texas. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description. 1975 Aztec 7 kit car, VW based, for sale or trade. Only 400 copies of this car were made. It runs, moves, and stops, but does need the fuel system cleaned. It has been sitting for some time. And here we have a 1977 Fiber Fab Jamaican, listed for $6,000 Canadian in Edmonton, Alberta. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description. 1977 Jamaican 2, very rare car, 222 kilometers, yes, 222 kilometers, 1 of 200 produced. How many left existing is unknown. Runs and drives, 4-cylinder VW 4-speed, custom tube chassis, needs new bucket seats and some cosmetic. Alberta active and registered. Alright, here we have a 1933 Factory 5 Ford, listed for $39,917 US in Tampa, Florida. It's been driven 758 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description. Built in 2014, powered by a 302 Ford Mustang engine with a 4-barrel carb and produces 355 horsepower, automatic.
Alright, they got her to run. New fuel pump, fuel tank, new carburetor.
Up next, we have this 1937 Jaguar SS100 replica, listed for $9,500 US in Canyon Country, California. It's been driven 300 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, replica kit car of a 1937 Jaguar SS100 on a 1966 VW Beetle chassis and drivetrain. The body is fiberglass. Replace the tires, battery, fuel tank, fuel lines, fuel filter, fuel pump, spark plugs and wires. Also replace the carburetor. Runs and drives great. Titled as a 1966 Volkswagen. Top needs attention as the back window is cracked. Okay, here we have a 2024 Vader, listed for $35,000 US in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's been driven 120,000 miles, has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, Vader body kit on an Infiniti G35, runs and drives, will need some TLC to finish, such as some bodywork, new paint job, some vinyl trim work, interior, and some minor electrical stuff. The donor car is a stock Infiniti G35 Sport. Okay, here we have a 1974 Bradley GT, listed for $4,000 US in Byhalia, Missouri. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1974 Bradley GT, 1969 1500cc engine, 53 horsepower, runs and drives, does need brake work, rear brake pads need to be replaced, $4,000 or best offer, bill of sale only, might trade for four-wheeler. Alright, this one is a body kit on a 1994 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, listed for $7,500 US in Hermit, California. It's been driven 70,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1994 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, 500 horsepower, with nitrous, built 5.7 liter LT1 V8 engine, high flow aluminum heads, custom camshaft. Exterior has an aggressive aftermarket body kit, staggered 18-inch forged alloy wheels. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking on the button below or using the link in the channel description. For the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every one of my videos before they go live on YouTube, usually at least 24 hours ahead of going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.